Let's go ahead and start with today's top headlines here in Michigan. A 9th coronavirus death reported in Michigan today, and the state's case count now jumps by the hundreds. There are now more than 1,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus here in Michigan, as Washtenaw County reports its first death.
Yeah, the county health department there says he was an elderly man. He had underlying health conditions. He was hospitalized yesterday. He died today at Michigan Medicine. There has been one death in Washtenaw, OAKLAND, MACOMB, and Kent County on the west side of the state, 5 deaths in Wayne County. There are 1,035 cases across Michigan. That jumped from nearly 800 yesterday. Across the country, there are more than 30,000 known cases with at least 400 deaths.
Republican Rand Paul of Kentucky became the first U.S. senator to test positive for the virus. That was today. Ohio's governor has issued a stay-at-home order urging everyone except essential workers to stay home. Now, it does allow for exceptions for health services and shopping for groceries as well.
Wayne State University has its first confirmed case.
Priya Mann is there tonight in front of a building now especially designed to house quarantined students.
That student had self-quarantined at Anthony Wayne Drive Apartments and has since been moved across the street to Atchison Hall, where now an entire floor has been reserved for students who may be quarantined. Coronavirus cases continue to climb. In Detroit, 325 cases and 4 deaths. Throughout the rest of Wayne County, 152 cases and 1 death. Over in Oakland County, 277 cases and 1 death. And in Macomb County, there are 140 cases and 1 death. Across the state, the majority of cases are in patients above the age of 40. 18% are 40 to 49 years old. 19% are 50 to 59 years old. And 20% are 60 to 69 years old, which health experts, including our own Dr. Frank McGeorge, predicted at the start of the spread.
With over 1,000 cases in the state today, we have a much better representation of the ages of infected people throughout the state. And it now shows what we've seen everywhere else in the world as cases mount. While the young are affected, the peak is in fact in the 50 to 70-year age range.
Meanwhile, more Detroit police officers are now being tested. On Sunday, Chief Craig said 233 officers were under quarantine. 150 could return to work if they exhibit no COVID-19 symptoms. A new danger for Detroit's finest is exposure. 6 officers and a sergeant responded to a domestic violence call on the west side Saturday night. They had contact with a suspect who is confirmed to have the virus. They are all self-isolating and awaiting test results. Now, that floor in Atchison Hall has 40 private rooms, and staff members will provide food and medication if necessary. And in just a short time that we've been here, we have seen dozens of students, many with their parents, packing up and leaving, an abrupt end to their time here on campus this semester. Reporting from Wayne State, I'm Priya Mann, Local 4.